Hi there, Jonathan here, one of the founders of WonsultingAI, and I'm excited to break down exactly how you can utilize ResumAI to make the perfect resume to be seen by recruiters and hiring managers. To do that, we first need to create your resume. You can do this by either 1, creating a new resume, or 2, uploading your existing resume to our resume template. For this video, I'll show you how to create a resume from scratch. You'll first want to add your relevant information, including your header, education, job titles, companies, and skills. You can also move around the different sections of your resume with this drag icon. For example, if you're not a student or a recent grad, you can drag your education section to the bottom. Then comes the fun part, building your resume using our resume bullet point generator. Our resume bullet point generator will automatically pull your job title as seen here. Then you can either 1, put your current resume bullet, or 2, put a few words of what you did in your role. After, select generate, and you'll notice that our tool will create several resume bullets that you can use. These resume bullets follow a format that we like to call HAMS. It has a hard skill, action word, metric, and is structured in a way that recruiters and hiring managers love. We recommend you follow the structure so you create resume bullets that'll help you stand out. You can easily add the resume bullet by clicking the plus button. And if these bullets don't relate to what you did, simply click generate again and it will create even more bullets that you can use. Do this for the rest of your resume and you'll notice that your resume gets completed as quickly as that. As you build your resume, you'll notice your score at the right. This is called our resume score. It not only showcases what you're missing, but also a score breakdown based on bullet point content, formatting, relevant information, and skills. This will allow you to build your resume to the best of your abilities. We recommend to get your resume to a 75 score to have the best chance of landing interviews. After you're finished, you can download your resume in PDF and start applying to jobs. Hope this breakdown helps, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions.